Okay, welcome back. So I just took a small bite of some food and now I'm back. So we shall come again with this guy, the Avehir lens. I'm pretty sure they listed this guy's Avenir, but this is Avehir. It's H. So yeah, still have quite a few to go. 5 left, yeah. This. So let us go put the book away and let us start opening this guy. This thing did not come with any bubble wrap, which is shocking, to say the least. Yeah, no plastic, no bubble wrap, and the boxes of these things, look at them, man. They're just disgusting. They're like stuck together with tape and stuff like that. Fucking rubbish, man. At least like real lenses don't come like this, and they all have fungi in them, which is quite fucked up, I'd say. This has a white ring in the front, which is interesting. Also, this guy that has no bubble wrap, yeah, this thing got a small dent where this guy is. So this guy, got a small ding, not dent, because the body is pretty much immaculate, yeah, but the pin on the side is bent, quite bent actually. See? So yeah, let's now screw this guy back in, or out maybe, yeah. This guy, I believe, has a focus lock, unlike the first two which had no focus lock. This thing will lock out at this height. So let me show you how far this thing will go. So yeah, I'm gonna put another small drawing in here. Let's put another line in here into my book, yeah. Okay. This is the okay. So see, this is Avenir, yeah, and this Avehir. So these Chinese makers have like copied each other, maybe, I'm not sure, yeah. Cause this Avehir, yeah. Wait. Okay, see. So this is Avehir, the 6mm one. Then this is Avenir, the 8mm one. This is Avehir, the 12mm one. This is Avenir, the 16mm one, and this is Avenir, the 25mm one. So these things have like names everywhere, man. They're like super unorganized. This is 6mm. This thing has a longer thread, so okay, this thing has a 5mm thread, which is quite different. It's built in this way where you have like a long bit right here, then you have like this fat thing right here with 2 screws and 1. This is the locking screw. These are, I'm not sure the other ones, yeah. Find the height of this guy by doing this. So this is the C mount. Check again for the C mount. Okay, 5mm thread, 5mm. Then for the front bit you have, let's see how many mil. 9.5 maybe, 545, 9.44, 9.425 I'd say, 9.425. Then this guy is gonna be 3cm, yeah, okay, 30mm. Nice. So now let us see how far the focus throw is. Focus to infinity. This yeah. This up to this. How many mil is that? Wait, I have to measure the whole thing. I think that'll be the best way to measure it. So use this guy. Fully extended, you get 2.123, 28.545. 28.45. 28.45 mil minus, let's see how many this thing will become when it closes down. I think it's like 1 or 2 mil, I'm not sure. 25.4. 25 point 375 mil. 25.375 mil equals to 3.075 mil. M. Focus throw is, let's see how many degrees. This is 0, 360, 720. 720 plus 360 will become 1080. A little bit more than 1080 degrees. How many is this? Oh, 1100 degrees. I also forgot to measure the one before this guy. Let's measure this guy first. Sorry that I'm actually doing this right now, but yeah, I forgot to put this in the last video. This thing will go from, let's see, this is 0. 0 is, let's see, what's this, 1, 2, 12.7 minus 0.7 This thing has quite a long focus through, man. So 5, 6, 7, 17.7 17.7. So it's 5 mil, I think, yeah. Okay. Oh, 5 mil focus through. Let's see how many degrees this thing will go. So first you have this infinity marker, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5. 6.5 times 360 equals to 2340 degrees. Okay, so this is because I just found another parameter I want to measure, yeah, which is focus through and how far this thing can focus. I think also I have to measure 2.8 mil right now. So I'm sorry, but I think because the intro in the 2.8 mil one, I should be okay and forgiven to do this. So this guy is at infinity, I think. Okay, this guy now is at, let's see how many mil. I mean, if you want a super short build, you can use this guy, because this thing is the shortest one, but it's also probably the smallest one. And somehow this thing is not flat. Let's use a short slide then, yeah. So this guy is 9 mil. 9 minus. Then let's screw this thing out. Until it falls out, yeah. Wait. I think while I'm in here, I should like undo the screw, push the optic down while I screw this guy back in again. And that way I should actually get a straight helicoid. So then, screw this guy a little bit in. Okay. Now this thing is let's screw this thing a bit more in so it doesn't wobble. This thing is now 15 mil. 15 minus 9 equals to 6 mil. 6 mil. Focus row. And how many degrees is this? Let's see. So 2.8, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times 360. 13 times 360 equals to 4680 degrees. So about 4680 degrees. This is too much focus throw, man. People in video like to say they want focus throw. I doubt they want focus throw at 4000 degrees or 1000 degrees, something like that. Yeah. So let's put this thing away. Then let's continue with the 6 mil. This thing is bent, but I should be okay with removing this guy. Put this in a cup. And you can still not unscrew this guy. So maybe it's the screws over here. Okay, that seemed to like let this guy loose. So see, you have a helicoid with grease. This is the biggest yet, man. So I think this is gonna be the best if you wanna dark lenses. Like you have the hole inside here as your helicoid, and yeah, it does look quite promising. These things will lock this thing down by like pressing onto the helicoid when it hits the top. So it's like bottoming out essentially. That's how it focuses, which is I think okay as a focusing system, but it's not perfect. Now how the heck do you take the optics out? Front ring maybe, yeah? Maybe it's not sure, we'll tell about things, so let's see. Let's first wash this guy off of with the grease, yeah, so I don't have greasy hands later. Just wipe it like this, then wipe it like this. Okay, should be okay. Let's put some alcohol in here also. Let's go wipe. And then we can go draw out the optical block, yeah. So this will become this, which then goes down to like a bottleneck, then it has this thread. Okay, this, yeah, this guy. This guy, you have, let's see, this one, this segment, this segment, this segment. Now you want to measure this thing. 1.8 875. Let's see. 1.87 mil. Then this guy is, let's see how many mil. 5.3 5.4 mil. 5.4 mil. Then this guy is, let's see how many mil. This is 7.2 mil. And how is this 1.5? Let's see. 18.7 mil. This. The thinnest bit is gonna be this neck type thingy, yeah. This is gonna be 19.5. Yeah, 0.5. 19.5 mil. Then you have this helicoid, which is gonna be super fat. Awesome thing for adapting lenses, yeah. 21.985 mil. 21.85 mil. Then you have this front bit, which is the fattest one, yeah? I'm liking the 6mm quite a lot. So let's see, this is gonna be 20. $27.9mm. Okay, this is the most promising yet, but I have to find a way to open this guy up or else it's useless. Cause drilling optics is not that easy. Glass is harder than metal. So let's see if these leading towers from China can like open this Chinese piece of shit optic. No? Strong side of it. Let's take a more educated guess at like the size. This is too small. This is too big, I think. Oh, it's perfect. Okay. It's no thread, yeah. Okay. No, it's a little bit too big. This one. I think this will be the one. Nice. Oh fuck. No, not moving. This thing's a sticker. I can see it's a sticker. Try peeling the sticker off. No? Let's see if I can peel this thing off. I have some tools which might help. We'll try these guys. The back here is not openable, I think, so yeah. The only way is the front. I was right about this thing being a sticker here, but I'm not sure if I'm right about this thing being like the way to open it. Okay, see? There are small holes for a lens spinner in the front. Let's put this thing over here. Nice hiding, but you won't hide forever. So, now let's open this guy up. I think I might be using this guy for the Nikon tomorrow, if nothing else works better in this. So it's fuck, I slipped, but still is openable. Okay, this is your front retainer ring. Then you have the front optic, which is gonna be convex, flat. Okay. Flat and convex. Optical diagram. So you have like a small thinner ring in the front. Then you have this optic in here, which is gonna be flat and convex. Then you have I think this is the like aperture type of fuck. Okay, this thing is fell out. I'm not sure where this thing goes. I can see a line. Okay, I'm lost. So I dropped the lens and it just fell out on the table. This is gonna be concave and flat. Then you have like this small fitting over here, which is gonna be step. Okay. Then you have what else? Let's see. You have that ring over here, which is gonna be okay. Then you have this rear element, which is gonna be flat and concave. So these things are mostly triplets, I think. Yeah, front, second, and third. Yeah. So most CCTV lenses are triplets for some reason. Not sure why they're triplets, but yeah. So this can be expanded by quite a bit, man, if you want to drill the thing in. And I have drill bits that are this size, which I think will actually help quite a lot if you're adapting lenses. You can also cut this bit right here in the front, and then put like a 3D printed sock in the front, which is gonna help quite a lot also, if you wanna like change the look and also make it shorter so you can like accommodate longer lenses. This I think is a quite good base for adapting lenses. So now I'm gonna go put this thing back into place. Now I'm gonna go put this thing back together again. This is gonna take quite a while. Let's see, this is concave or convex or straight? I'm not sure. How the fuck do you be sure, man? This is like so small. Okay, I'm sure right now. Go in, come on. Then this guy goes in like this, with the lip on the bottom right there. Okay. Then you have this guy which goes in like this. Then this guy goes in like this. Then the front. And then the retaining ring. Okay. So that's it for the 12mm lens. 6mm lens. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it, and I'm gonna go put this back together again, and then I'm gonna go cut the video. Stick it on temporarily so I can still see the writings, yeah. And then I'm gonna go screw this thing back in. This is also the smoothest helicoid in the bunch that I've tried, so I think I will be using this guy. You can see how big the part you can actually cut, yeah. So this thing will accommodate wide angle lens also, I think. Which means that maybe I might also like swap this Nikon F600 over here to this body right here. But I'm not sure yet. We'll have to see. Okay, cover this. Screw this cap on. And yeah, bye bye. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna wait till this